G'day, welcome to Camper. On today's show, Camper Tech, Cooper Tyres, a chance to win the ARB awning. But first, Roger Vickery shows you how to use a snatch strap properly on Bribie Island.
Well, we've successfully bogged the car. What we're going to do now is give you a quick demonstration how to get out using a snatch strap.
Got some recovery gear here we're going to use. We've got a snatch strap here we're going to use. We've got a damper we're going to put on the top of the snatch strap for safety. And we've got a rated D-shackle here we're going to use.
No doubt you've heard that snatch and straps can be dangerous to use. They are very dangerous. They're like a giant rubber band or a piece of elastic. So people say they've been killed by a snatch strap or something like that. No one's been killed by a strap. They get killed by the bits of metal on the end of the strap. So if we were to hook this to a part of the car that wasn't very strong, it could tear off and it flies through the air like something out of it. Say a Shanghai. So we've got a big rated recovery point, we're going to use that. This big recovery hitch here is probably the safest thing you can use when using a snatch strap. If you haven't got one of these, don't worry. Definitely do not put this over your tow ball and use the tow ball. Unhook your hitch, pull the whole lot out, and then take this, poke it up the eye of your tow bar and put the pin through. That way's a lot safer. Generally, you want to be less than a car length apart. Hook the strap at each end and lay it all on the ground in a big S. Then you get your recovery dampener, which is basically an energy absorber should something break, and it helps prevent injury. The next bit's about communication. The tower and the towee. Now we need the tower to be in second or third low range. It's a good gear, gives you a bit of momentum, and that way he can get going and get away. He's not going to get bogged down in too high a gear. Me, I say go. When he goes, I wait till the strap's nearly taken up, then I drop the clutch and get into it too. So we'll give it a go. Copy, Pete?
Yeah, copy, Roger.
Your second or third low range?
Yeah, third low range.
Okay, very good, mate. I'll say go and you go, and as the strap takes up, I'll come with you.
Okay.
So there you have it, it's that simple. A few basic rules, nobody gets hurt, and you get your car out of trouble.
If you'd like more info on the range of recovery gear available, head to your local ARB store. Oh my God!
The beauty about Cooper has been the fact is we've always worked on warranty, and one thing we're trying to push with our customers at the moment is TCC, so tread, carcass and compound, and that sort of breaks down the tyre a little bit more. So what we're actually trying to do is now show customers the nitty-gritty of the tyre and really getting involved in it, and sort of how the tyre is actually built and why our tyres last for, you know, in excess of over 80,000 kilometres.
For sure, we're seeing bigger rims though. We're seeing sort of 18, 20-inch rims and lower profile tyres. There's lots of variation these days, isn't there?
Look, there absolutely is, and we try to talk to our customers about what application they're doing. So, I mean, as we know, you wouldn't want to be driving out on a set of 20-inch rims heading out to Birdsville. But, you know, for a round, and even for Moreton Island and doing the fantastic beaches of Queensland, you know, a 20 is still okay, but we've just got to make sure we've got the right tyre and application. And you know, that's what we try to do, inform, information, and I think that's the key to any success.
Our next camper giveaway is a beauty, an ARB canvas awning for your next off-road adventure. Keeping you cool in the dry and dry in the wet, ARB awnings are a must-have for a day at the beach or a night in the bush. ARB awnings feature anodised height-adjustable telescopic legs, Velcro ties, all secured and free from the outside elements in a heavy-duty nylon reinforced PVC bag. Fully waterproof and with a UVP rating of 50+, the ARB awning comes in 3 sizes and is yours to win. Follow the link to enter the competition, and to increase your number of entries, just follow the prompts. The more entries you have, the more chance of winning, and you've got to be in it to win it. The prize will be drawn on Friday, August 3. Register now and good luck.